Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
So welcome to our Ale Review Series practice quiz, and our topic for today is building utilities. This is part 1. So before you start answering the quiz, get a piece of paper first and then write down numbers 1 to 30 for every question. And then for every question, write down the corresponding letter of your answer from the multiple choice. And then at the end of the quiz, count the number of your correct answers and check kung saang category nagfo-fall yung total number of correct answers niya. Okay, so if you are ready with your paper and the numbers 1 to 30, you can now start with the quiz. So question number 1. What is a pump used to move water vertically from the underground cistern to an overhead tank? A. Booster pump. B. Transfer pump. C. Jockey pump. And letter D. Sump pump. 10 seconds to answer. Okay, and our correct answer is letter B, transfer pump. So a transfer pump is specifically used to move water from a lower elevation, like an underground cistern or sump, to a higher elevation, such as an overhead tank. This is its primary function in plumbing and water supply systems. Now, the other choices, booster pump is to increase water pressure in a system, but doesn't necessarily transfer it vertically over a long distance. Jockey pump, on the other hand, maintains pressure in fire protection systems and not for water transfer between tanks. And sump pump removes water that has accumulated in a sump basin, usually in basements, and typically pumps water out to a drain, not up to a tank. Question number 2. What is a pump connected to a fire sprinkler system to maintain pressure in the sprinkler pipes? A. Pressure pump. B. Jockey pump. C. Booster pump. And D. Fire pump. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter B, jockey pump. So a jockey pump, also called a pressure maintenance pump, is a small pump connected to a fire sprinkler system that is designed to maintain pressure in the system's piping. Its role is to compensate for small pressure drops so that the main fire pump doesn't start unnecessarily. The other choices, pressure pump is a general term and not specifically used in fire protection systems. Booster pump is used to increase water pressure in domestic or commercial systems and not typically used for fire protection systems. And fire pump is the main pump activated during an actual fire event when a significant drop in pressure occurs due to sprinkler activation. So question number 3. What is a pump designed to increase water supply pressure where inadequate water pressure exists? Letter A. Positive displacement pump. B. Booster pump. C. Jockey pump. And D. Pressure pump. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter B, booster pump. So a booster pump is specifically designed to increase water pressure in situations where the existing water supply pressure is insufficient. It is commonly used in high-rise buildings, remote areas, or any system where water needs to be delivered at a higher pressure. Now, the positive displacement pump moves fluid by trapping a fixed amount and forcing it through the system, not specifically for boosting pressure, but used for precise flow rates. Jockey pump maintains pressure in fire protection systems and not for general water pressure boosting. Pressure pump is a vague or generic term and not a standard classification for this purpose. So we go to question number 4. What is a pump that uses a rotating impeller to move water and pressurize the discharge flow? A. Pneumatic pump. B. Positive displacement pump. C. Jockey pump. And D. Centrifugal pump. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter D, centrifugal pump. So a centrifugal pump uses a rotating impeller, ito yung nasa loob, umiikot-ikot, not to impart kinetic energy to the water, which is then converted into pressure energy to move and pressurize the water through the discharge line. This is the most common type of pump used in water supply systems. Now, pneumatic pump uses compressed air to move fluids, but not an impeller. So, yun ang pagkakaiba ng pneumatic versus centrifugal. No? Walang impeller ang pneumatic pump. Positive displacement pump moves water by trapping a fixed volume and forcing it through, typically used for high pressure, low flow applications. And jockey pump is a small centrifugal pump, but its purpose is pressure maintenance in fire systems, not general water movement. So question number 5, what is the pump used under the elevator pit? A. Elevator pump. B. Sump pump. C. Lift pump. And D. Pit pump. 10 seconds. So our correct answer here is letter B, sump pump. So a sump pump is used under the elevator pit to remove accumulated water and prevent flooding. It is essential for safety and compliance with building codes, as standing water in the pit can damage elevator equipment and pose electrical hazards. Elevator pump is not a standard term and could confuse with hydraulic elevator pumps. Lift pump is a general term and not specifically used for elevator pits. A pit pump is an informal or non-standard term. The correct technical term is sump pump. Question number 6. Among the selection, which is the cheapest bathtub option in the market? A. Fiberglass. B. Acrylic. C. Enameled steel. And D. Cast iron. And our correct answer here is letter A, fiberglass. So fiberglass bathtubs are generally the cheapest option on the market. They are made from layers of fiberglass reinforced with resin and coated with a gel coat surface. While they are lightweight and easy to install, they are also more prone to scratching, cracking, and color fading over time compared to the other materials. Question number 7. What among this selection, which is the expensive bathtub option in the market? A. Cast iron, B. Fiberglass, C. Enameled steel, and D. Acrylic. 10 seconds. Okay, our correct answer is letter A, cast iron. So cast iron bathtubs are the most expensive option among those listed. They are made by pouring molten iron into a mold and then coating it with a thick layer of enamel. These tubs are extremely durable, have excellent heat retention, and offer a luxurious high-end feel. But the weight and installation complexity also contribute to the high cost. Acrylic is slightly more expensive than fiberglass, but more durable and retains heat better. Enameled steel is mid-range in price, more durable than fiberglass and acrylic, but can chip and is cold to the touch. Question number 8. Among this selection, which is the most expensive wash basin option? Letter A, under counter, B, pedestal, C, tabletop, and D, wall hang. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter B, pedestal type. So pedestal basins include two components, the basin and the pedestal, the vertical support, making them more material intensive and thus more costly. Wall hang basins are usually the most economical in terms of both unit and installation. Under-counter basins can be the most expensive overall if to include the expensive countertop materials like granite, marble, solid surface, and its installation, which is more labor-intensive and precise. Question number 9. Among this selection, which is the most expensive wash basin option? A. Full pedestal, B. Integrated pedestal, C. Tabletop, and D. Over the counter. 10 seconds. Over counter pala. And our correct answer is letter B, integrated pedestal. So integrated pedestal basins are typically one-piece units where the basin and pedestal are seamlessly fused. These are usually designer items with modern aesthetics, often made from high-grade ceramic or stone materials. Their manufacturing process and style make them more expensive than other types, including full pedestal models. Full pedestal is a two-piece basin plus stand, and it is of moderate cost compared to integrated pedestal. Question number 10. Among this selection, which is the most expensive water closet option in the market? Letter A, dual flush, B, wall mounted, C, one piece, and D, two piece. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter B, wall mounted. So wall-mounted water closets require a concealed tank system or carrier frame and more complex installation, including structural reinforcement in the wall and specialized in-wall plumbing and flushing systems. These are typically used in high-end or modern bathrooms for their sleek, space-saving, and easy-to-clean design. One piece is more expensive than two piece due to integrated design. Dual flush can apply to any of the above but add some cost due to the flushing mechanism. And two-piece is usually the most economical and widely available. Question number 11. This is the type of conduit allowed in electrical service entrance. A. IMC, B. EMT, C. RSC, and D. PVC. 10 seconds. So our correct answer is RSC. So RSC, or rigid steel conduit, is the strongest and thickest type of metal conduit. It is allowed and commonly used for electrical service entrance due to its high mechanical protection, durability against physical damage, and suitability for grounding, and resistance to weather when used outdoors. IMC, or intermediate metal conduit, sometimes allowed but not as robust as RSC. EMT is electrical metallic tubing, is too thin for service entrance use, and not suitable for high-stress outdoor applications. PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, can be allowed in some jurisdictions for underground service entrances, but not for exposed vertical risers without added protection. Question number 12. What is ATS in an electrical system? A. An electrical switch used in backup generator. B. An emergency switch used in fire alarm system. And C. An automatic switch used in building automation system. And D. An automatic switch used in conveyor system such as elevators. So 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter A. If ATS is an electrical switch used in backup generator. So ATS stands for Automatic Transfer Switch. It is a device that automatically switches the power supply from the main utility to a backup generator once it detects a failure or outage in the main power. Once the utility power is restored, the ATS switches the load back to the utility source. It ensures uninterrupted power to critical loads like hospitals, data centers, and commercial buildings. Question number 13. In electrical connections, when is CEI issued in a building? A. After the installation of electrical meters by the utility company. B. After the final inspection by the building official. C. Before the final inspection by the building official. And letter D. Before the installation of electric meters by the utility company. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter B, after the final inspection by the building official. So the CEI or CFEI, Certificate of Final Electrical Inspection, is issued after the electrical system has been inspected and approved by the building official or authorized personnel. It serves as a requirement for the energization of the electrical system and the installation of meters by the distribution utility. So, hanapan kayo ng CFEI kapag mag-a-apply na ng mag-i-install na ng Meralco ang inyong mga metro. No? So, question number 14. Among this selection, which company is supplying electrical products? Letter A, Philips. B. Osram, C. Snyder, and D. Fumaco. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter C, Schneider. So Schneider Electric is a global company that supplies a wide range of electrical products, including circuit breakers, panel boards, switchgears, automation systems, and power monitoring devices. On the other hand, Philips is primarily known for lighting products like LED bulbs and fixtures. Osram specializes in lighting technology, automotive, architectural, as well as general lighting. Fumaco is a local brand in the Philippines known mainly for lighting fixtures, that is commercial and industrial. And question number 15. These are electrical enclosures intended for outdoor use. A. ABS enclosures. B. Metal enclosure. C. Hard plastic enclosures. And letter D. NEMA enclosures. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is NEMA enclosures. So NEMA stands for National Electrical Manufacturers Association. NEMA enclosures are rated according to their ability to withstand environmental conditions, including rain, dust, corrosion, and ice, making them suitable for outdoor use. A NEMA 3R is suitable for outdoor use and protects against rain and sleet. NEMA 4X is watertight and corrosion resistant and often used in harsher environments. Now, an ABS enclosure is lightweight plastic and typically for indoor use. Metal enclosures is used in both indoor-outdoor settings, but not all are weather rated unless they meet NEMA standards. Hard plastic enclosures is a generic term, may or may not be suitable for outdoor use unless rated. Question number 16. What is HDPE pipe stands for? A. High density polyethylene. B. High density polyvinyl chloride. And C. High density polypropylene. And D. High density polyurethane. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter A, high-density polyethylene. So HDPE stands for high-density polyethylene, which is a type of thermoplastic polymer known for its high strength-to-density ratio. HDPE pipes are commonly used in water and gas distribution systems, as well as for industrial applications due to their durability, resistance to chemicals, and flexibility. High-density polyvinyl chloride, on the other hand, refers to PVC. High-density polypropylene refers to polypropylene, a different type of plastic. And high-density polyurethane refers to polyurethane. Question number 17. What type of jointing process is used for HDPE pipes? A. Rubber ring seals. B. Solvent cement. C. Threaded jointing. And D. Electrofusion welding. So 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter D, electrofusion welding. So electrofusion welding is a common method for joining HDPE or high-density polyethylene pipes. It involves using electrofusion fittings, this one, which are equipped with embedded heating coils. When an electric current is passed through, the heat generated melts the pipe and the fitting material, creating a strong permanent band. This method is highly reliable for HDPE piping systems and is commonly used in industries such as water and gas distribution. Rubber ring seals is used in certain types of joints for HDPE pipes, but not the primary method for fusion-based joining. Solvent cement is typically used for PVC pipes, not HDPE, and threaded jointing generally not used for HDPE pipes, as they don't perform well under pressure with threaded joints. Question number 18. What is the life expectancy of HDPE pipes? A. 40 to 50 years. B. 30 to 40 years. C. 10 to 30 years. D. 50 to 100 years. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter D, 50 to 100 years. So HDPE pipes are known for their long lifespan, typically ranging from 50 to 100 years under normal conditions of use. The pipe's durability is due to their resistance to corrosion, chemicals, and environmental factors, as well as their ability to withstand high pressures. Proper installation and maintenance can extend the lifespan even further. Question number 19. Which is not true of HDPE pipes? A. Resistant to many chemicals. B. Suitable for dynamic soils. C. High impact resistance capability. And D. Low flow capacity. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is letter D, low flow capacity. So HDPE pipes are known for having high flow capacity due to their smooth inner surfaces, which reduce friction and allow for higher flow rates compared to many other types of pipes. HDPE is resistant to many chemicals. It is resistant to a wide range of chemicals, making it ideal for industrial and municipal use. HDPE pipes are flexible and can withstand shifting or dynamic soil conditions without breaking. And HDPE is known for its high impact resistance, which makes it durable under physical stress. Question number 20. What is the standard color of HDPE pipe plumbing pipes? A. Blue. B. White. C. Green. And D. Black. And our correct answer is letter D. Black. So HDPE pipes are typically black in color. The black color helps protect the pipes from UV degradation when exposed to sunlight. Sometimes black HDPE pipes may have blue, this one, like this one, or yellow stripes for identification, indicating specific uses. So blue is for water and yellow is for gas. Question 21. Which lighting is required on buildings as per code? Letter A, figure D. B, figure C. C, figure E. And D, figure A. 10 seconds. So the correct answer here is letter A, figure A. Letter D is figure A. So emergency lights, specifically emergency egress lighting, are required by building codes like NFPA 101 and others to ensure safe evacuation during power outages or other emergencies. Question 22. Which lighting has built-in batteries? letter A, figure A, B, figure C, D, figure B, and letter D, figure E. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is figure A. So emergency lights typically have a battery backup that will operate the light in the event the power goes out, regardless of if there's a generator for backup power. So a variety of different battery types are used in emergency lighting. The main types are emergency light with lead batteries. So question number 23, which lighting is suitable for outdoor commercial lighting? Letter A, figure C, letter B, figure D, letter C, figure A, and letter D, figure B. And our correct answer is letter D, figure D. Ito yon, figure D. So LED floodlights for commercial and outdoor use. So outdoor LED floodlights for security are one of the best options for efficiency and high performance. The best commercial LED floodlights enhance visibility at nighttime, instantly brighten outdoor spaces, and increase security levels. Question 24. Which lighting fixture is appropriate for safety purposes? Letter A, figure C. Letter B, figure E. Letter C, figure B. And letter D, figure D. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is figure B. So LED strip lights are safe and generally not a fire risk. They may pose a safety risk if they are installed incorrectly, are of bad quality, overheat, or used with incompatible components. LED strips are not classified as cancerous. They emit light without the harmful ultraviolet radiation associated with some other light sources such as fluorescent lights and certain types of halogen bulbs. So ito yung LED strip lights. So question number 25. For very high ceiling, which lighting is most efficient? So figure D, letter A, letter B is figure C, letter C is figure A, and letter D is figure E. 10 seconds. And our correct answer is figure C. So this one are industrial pendant lights. They are an excellent choice for rooms with high ceilings. They blend style and practicality seamlessly. Their hanging design and focused illumination bring an elegant touch to any lofty space. Opt for larger pendant lights with adjustable cables or rods to ensure proper suspension at the right height. So, question number 26. The control of the fire alarm system is located in the blank. Letter A, living 401 here. Letter B, foyer here. Letter C, BR 401 here. And letter D, dining 401 here. So, medyo malabo ang drawing, pero ganun talaga sa board exam, malabo yung mga drawing. So, you really have to have a keen eye to identify. So 10 seconds to finalize your answer. Okay, and our correct answer is letter D, dining 401. So makita nyo dito, ito yung nakalagay na drawing. FACP is the fire alarm control panel. Usually nasa wall yan nakikita, no? Kulay red yung cover ng panel box. So question number 27, how many air conditioning units are in this apartment? Letter A, 3. Letter B, 1. Letter C, 4. And letter D, 2 units. So I'll give you time. Time to decipher. Okay, and our correct answer here is 3 units. Ayan. So, syempre, ang kitchen wala na, no? So, basically, may dining natin, kailangan yan. Ang living room, ayan. Ito window type, WACU. Ito ay FCU. So, this is wall type. And this is also another window. Siyempre, bedroom, kailangan yan ng AC. No? So, yung foyer is connected naman yan sa dining tsaka sa living room. So, question number 28. The main electrical panel board is located in the blank. Letter A, living 401. Letter B, foyer. And letter C, kitchen. And letter D, dining. So 10 seconds to finalize. And our correct answer is located in the foyer. So, ayan yung symbol ng panel board, panel box. So, question number 29. How many smoke alarm devices shown on this plan? Letter A, 1. B, 6. Letter C, 2. And letter D, 4. So, please count. 10 seconds to count. Okay, so ang ating answer dito is letter B, 6 units. So, yan nakalagay sa plano na SD. Yan. So, sa living room, living area, dining, sa lobby, sa foyer, sa kitchen, and sa bedroom. Smoke detector. And last question, there are intercom sockets on this plan except in the blank. Letter A, living 401. B, kitchen 401. C, foyer. And letter D, bedroom 401. So, 10 seconds to finalize the answer. Saan walang intercom? Okay, and our answer here is letter A, living 401. So, makita mo dyan, merong INT. Ayan, yan ang symbol ng intercom. Sa kitchen, syempre, pang tawag sa bedroom, at pinaka-general na for dining and living, yung nasa foyer na intercom. Pagpasok. Sa living na wala, tsaka sa dining. So, that's it for our quiz for today. So, if your correct answers is 2730, that is brain power unleashed. Question 24, correct answers 24 to 26. Correct answer, seriously impressive. With correct answers 19 to 23, definitely got this. And if your score is 16 to 18, close but needs a little more oomph. And if your score is 0 to 15, time for a more strategic review. So that's it for today. So you can scan this QR code to know more about Atlas CDC review. And watch out for my succeeding videos.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.